Good morning, class first. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Manisha, Math faculty. Welcome again, Maths online class. So, student, we will start subtractions. Okay? So, please be ready your pencil eraser and notebook. Subtraction we will discuss about. Heading now your notebook. Subtractions 1 digits number. Page number 57. Heading subtraction using grid method. Now first example is 3 subtract 2. 3 subtract 2. Count the number 1, 2, 3. Do you know that what is a subtraction? Subtraction means लेस करना, माइनस करना, संख्याओं को एक डिजिट किसी डिजिट्स को दूसरी डिजिट्स में से लेस करना. तो हमें क्या करना है? 3 में से 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करने हैं, मतलब लेस करना है. ओके, 1, 2 and 3 and this 2. Cut 1 and cut 2. So answer them 1. How we will write? 1. Okay. Is that clear all of you? Write now your notebook. Next one is 5 subtract 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Subtract 2. Cut it the 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2 and 3. How we will say? 3. 3 is right answer. Is that clear all of you? So write now your notebook. Let's take another example. Eight subtract 5. 8 में से 5 लेस करना है, तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Count the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Subtract 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cutted the. So 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So how we will write? Say 3. हम यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? 3. 3 is this right answers. Okay students. Write now fast. Other example now. 9 subtract 3. So count the number on your finger. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8 and 9. So count the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers and subtract 3. Subtract 3. 1, 2 and 3. 3 फिंगर्स हमने बंद करी तो कितने बचे? 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. 6 is this right answer. Okay. Next one is five subtract 0. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम किसी भी नंबर्स में से 0 को लेस करेंगे तो क्या बचेगा? वही नंबर्स जो हमारे पास होगा. ओके या 0 में से किसी भी डिजिट्स को लेस करेंगे तो वही क्या आएगा आंसर में? वही डिजिट्स आएगी जितनी डिजिट्स हमें लेस करनी है. 0 नहीं आएगा. क्या आएगा? नंबर. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ? 5. ओके आंसर दिस राइट नाउ. ओके नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज count and subtract. Count and subtract. Okay. One, 2, 3 and 4. आपके पास 5 बॉक्सेस हैं. 1 2 3 एंड 4 बॉक्सेस हैं. उसमें इसमें से 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करने हैं. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. ओके count and subtract. Count 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Subtract 2 boxes 1 and 2. So 1 box is cutted and 2 boxes cutted. So 1 and 2 कितने बचे? 2. So answer is 2. Okay. Other example is one, 2, 3, 4. Subtract the one tree. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4. Count the tree 1 2 3 and 4 and subtract the one tree. 1 cut 1 cut. So 1 2 and 3. How we will write answer? 3. कितने ट्रीज बचे? जब एक 1 ट्री को हमने कट कर दिया तो 1 2 and 3. So answer them. 3 is this right answer. Right now. Is that clear all of you? Do fast. Next topic is subtraction on abacus. Heading now. Subtraction on abacus. So let's start the example now. 37 subtract the 25, page number 62. Subtraction on abacus. So diagram now. ऐसे हम लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, लाइंस ड्रॉ करेंगे. वंस प्लेस. ओके, वंस प्लेस. Ones places and tens place. Ones place and tens place. Okay. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. हमने कितना करा? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7. 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, next digits 25. So 5 is ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 is tens place. 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. One and 2. So answer them the 37 and 25. 7 subtract 5. 2. Count the 7. 5, 6 and 7. Subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Subtract. Answer them 2. 1 and 2. Okay, and next one digit is 3. Subtract the 2. So count the number 1, 2 and 3. Next digit is 2. 1 and 2. So cut at the 2 number 1 and 2. How we will write? 1. So answer is 12. Okay, so answer is 12. Diagram now. 12 is this right answer. So abacus is 1 and 2 and 1. So ones places and tens places. Ones is 2, tens place is 1. 12 is this right answers. Okay students, write now your notebook. Do fast. Let's take another example. (42) subtract the 11. Okay. Diagram now. Ones and tens. 2 and 4 is tens place value. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Less the 11. Ones and tens. 1 and 1. So answer them is cut at the ones place less than ones place. 1 cut and 1 cut. So 1 Okay, and 1 4, 1 2 3 and 4, cutted the 1, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3, 3 and 1, 3 and 1, 31 is this right answer. So 42, 11, 2 subtract 1, 1, 4 subtract 1, 3, 3 is this right answer. Okay, right now do fast. Let's take another example. Page number 62. C is 56 subtract 43. 56 subtract 43. So diagram now. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. Okay, 6 place value is 1's place value. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and next digit is 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, second digit is 43. So 3 is 1's place and 4 is 10's place. 1 2 and 3. 4 10's place, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay students, so less than the 6 and 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 cutted the 3, 1 2 and 3. So 1 2 and 3, count the 1 2 and 3. So how we will write? 3. Okay, and 5 subtract the 4, so 1. 13. 13 is this answer. Okay, now next is, look at this, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1's place subtract the 1's place, 10's place subtract the 10's place. 1 2 3 4 5 6, subtract the 3, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. Count this, 1 2 and 3. So 1 2 and 3. Okay, 3. Next 5 is tens and 4 is tens. So tens subtract the tens. Count 1 2 3 4 5. Cut it the 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. So how we will write? 1. 13 is this right answer. Okay, same as, so 13 is this right answer. Any problem all of you? Write now your notebook, neat and clean work. Okay, next topic, page number 63. Page number 63. A is 1's place and 10's place. 34 subtract the 3. Okay, so right now 1's place is 4 and subtract 3. So count the number on your finger, 1 2 3 and 4. Subtract 3, 1 2 and 3. So 1. How we will write? 1. Look at this, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Cut it the 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. So 1 is, how we will write? यहाँ कितने बचे? 1. So how we will write? 1. Okay. Next, 3 is same because there are no digit in this here. Right now, B is 48, subtract the 7. 8 subtract the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Cut it the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1 and 4 is same. 41 is this right answers. Okay. Any problem all of you? Right now fast. Next one is subtraction 2 digits number. Subtraction 2 digits number without borrow. So example now, ones place and tens place. 26 subtract the 15. Okay, 26 subtract the 15. पहले हमने 1 डिजिट्स नंबर्स के सब्ट्रैक्ट किए थे, अब हम 2 डिजिट्स के करेंगे. 26 subtract the 15, इट मीन्स लेस करना. 6 subtract the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Cut it the 5 number. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So कितने बचे? 1, 1. Okay. Next 2. 1 and 2. Cut it the 1 number. So 1 is this right answer. Okay students. Next one is ones and tens. 30 subtract 10. Okay. 0 subtract the 0. So how we will write? Is 0. Okay. Because there are no other digits. So 0 subtract the 0. So 0. Okay. Tens place subtraction now. 3 subtract the 1. 1, 2 and 3. Cut it the 1. 1 and 2. 20 is this right answers. Okay students. Other examples, do your self work. And page number 64, exercise 1, 2 and 3. Examples now, do your self work. Okay. Okay students, today we will end this topic here. Next video will be next topic. Please stay home, stay safe. Bye bye all of you.